You see, before me reach a stage where me sit down and take orders, like me at KFC or Burger King, me rather resign. You understand me? So you see, for the time being, you just work on Tony and whisper.
Speaking of resign, where is your badge? Cause Marcia begged me to talk to you. Raymond, stop calling the woman a fat cow.
Nobody never hear me call her a cow. A buffalo, me usually say.
Jesus.
By the way, this badge, let me tell you the truth I got love. Me can't tell which part of that badge they reach, wait there, me don't know.
You can't find the badge. The coded badge where the people them give. The badge that takes you in and out of the agency.
Nah, lie. Me not think the coffee worth this much stretch better.
This is the badge that you cannot find.
Wait. Angie, you find the badge, man.
Well, you remember the night when we were playing cops and robbers? When I was the cop and you were the robber?
Oh, yeah. Cop and rubber. Yeah. Anyway, I can get the badge now, please.
Sure you can. After we play another cop and robber.
All this for one badge.
Must I say I give it to her. Give it to her. And yeah, girl, right? Right the song. Let me see, I forgot about. You don't know so it's time in the day I be food in the one door. And what is not one single get already in the fridge? Not one? No, sir. What's your dragon? I ain't getting no time. I've got to talk to the man. This is foolishness. Then I will organize this up for you. I must retire her. Must. I cannot. See, that no look so bad. No organization, nothing. Mr. Water Commissioner Stern. I'm here.
Babe, can I talk to you for a second?
One of the things that's why you come here.
Put me in something.
You gotta tell me twice.
Babe, you got Destiny school today?
Them call you.
Them not just call me. Them call me in a meeting.
So I don't never call me in the meeting. I mean, go down there, not you. No?
Babe, I appreciate everything I do for Destiny, but I cannot cuss off our teacher. She have to go to school.
But I never cuss our teacher.
What do you mean you never cuss our teacher?
I cuss our week.
That make it even worse. You disrespect the woman big time. What kind of wig she did have on, by the way? Come and see her in her ear.
Oh, she take it off. Nice, see? She do a public, community and national service because that wig didn't need to go.